Hey everybody, my name is Kalle Slaap, watchmaker from the Netherlands, and I would like to share with you how the trip was and returning the Rolex to the Steele family. It was such a joy, such an adventure. Well, if you are traveling with old men, this is the view in your rear view mirror. Well, we had so much fun. We returned the watch on Sunday, straight from the boat in Harwich, straight through the Welsh border, Oswestry. And when we arrived at the farm, beautiful farmhouse from 1704, we looked at the sky and we saw this. This was truly the moment we arrived. Just look at the clouds. It was complete Harry Potter. One of our team is a pilot, and just that cloud formation, Mamaris, I think it was called, it's just so special. And that was just when we arrived. Everybody was there. The Steele family, the mayor, Mr. Ishwood, and the councillor, Mrs. Burrow, and the reception couldn't be any nicer from the Steele family. Lovely food, lovely company, and then we returned the watch to James Steele. Look at this. There we go. I do hope you remember the watch.
Yeah, I do remember
50 years ago.
I forget what we did the other day, but I do remember that.
Such a special moment. Back there, Andrew Steele. Discoloration.
Yeah, you can imagine.
Yeah. We found the original.
I don't know how many times I've done
I remember 95 years old.
that. Lost years ago, and we were working around it to the top.
Yeah.
But this never did with that young man.
So for everybody who's curious. That's it now. There the end results. Bit of discoloration, of course.
Thank you very much. I'll watch that, don't worry. Thank you very much, all of you. No, I don't.
It was so touching. And then you just saw Mr. James Steele, his son Andrew, gave a speech and started in Dutch. That was so special. And we got the first gift because he presented this coin, and that is a William and Mary halfpenny from 1694. Bit of context might be helpful. William is William of Orange, Willem van Oranje, and at that time he ruled what is now the Netherlands, and he ruled what is now, well, part of Great Britain, the UK. And we got this coin from Andrew to emphasize the century-old bond between our two nations, and that was so kind. The same metal detectorist found this coin around the farm, his farm, as he found a Rolex. That was so nice. After that we made a group shot. So from right to left is Miss Ishwood, Juriaan, the mayor, Mike Ishwood, Edwin. I'm so sorry I forgot your name, the metal detectorist. You are so important in this story. Next to that, Andrew Steele, Mr. James Steele, Elmar, and we put the old men together. Elmar is the oldest in our team. Miss Barrow, the councillor, and myself. And again, heartwarming, the reception. After that we had a great drive on the cart to see the surroundings. It's such a stunning place there, Oswestry, and we, well, are planning to go back because it was beautiful and a very short visit this was. Then we left and we went, to do touristy things in the UK. So we went to Greenwich with the team and had fun on the Meridian. Just while we were there was a great talk about John Harrison, our hero, of the Longitude Act and his timepieces, H1, 2, 3 and 4. 5 isn't in Greenwich. So we had a lovely conversation with the man over there. John Noakes it was. And then we got an email, and that was so special because the day after we left, this happened. This calf was born on the Steele farm, and the calf is now called Treflag 1 Chronoglide. He named the calf after our company, and that is so kind and so much fun. So that was it. Oh, on the way back I found this pocket watch in a beautiful antique shop in Levenham. What a beautiful place that is. And I think that is a very special watch. So probably in the next stream I will show the movement, because I think it could be very special. All of you, the viewers, thank you so much for your support in the whole restoration of this exceptional Rolex. I don't think we ever done a project that was so hard, so challenging and so satisfying. So all of you viewers, thank you so much for your support. Steele family and everybody, thank you so much. Mr. James Steele, Andrew, Aidan for heroically open and closing the gates. And thank you for the food and the whole family. It was very, very special. Hope to see you soon. Now I put the playlist on the back, so if you want to see the restoration you can have a look. But it's been an amazing journey and we had so much fun doing it. All of you, thank you so much and see ya. Bye bye.